Hi everyone, I am Mamta Mittal and I am an artist. I am art director at Art Explorer Academy. So today's session is for Kargil Vijay Divas. We are going to make a oil pastel drawing. Hope you will enjoy today's session. Let's start.
Vijay Divas. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated after the Kargil war, and it is to give the respect and homage to the people who have lost their life in the Kargil war. Okay, so it is always celebrated on 26th of July. Okay, so we should respect our soldiers because they are very precious and they are working in a difficult conditions to save our India. Okay. So their life is very tough. They work in very difficult conditions, leaving their life at the back and working there alone. And it requires a lot of courage and bravery. Okay. You draw it with the pencil. Later you can do the outlining. Okay. I will be doing it with the DVD marker so that you guys can see it and it becomes easy for you. Okay. Yeah. So I'm making a mountain over here. And you need to leave the space flat here. Okay, so that we can make the, because today we are going to make this. So we need to leave the space for the soldiers and the flag. So the mountain has to be little low. Okay, like this. Okay, and then we will draw a army tank over here like this. So we need to double this line from here, and then we need to just flatten it up, join over here, and we will be making 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 wheels over here. Okay. Yeah. And then there is a
Ma'am, how did you make the tanker? Ma'am, please zoom, ma'am.
So I have made a mountain over here and I have made the mountain little flat. So I made 2 more mountains which are smaller ones. Then I made a tanker over here. Then I made 1, 2, 3, 4 wavy lines to show the flag. So this is the Indian flag. Okay. And how I have made the tanker, I'm doing it again. Please listen, mute yourself. I have made the tanker like this. So I have made 5 wheels over here and I added a dot in between, and then from here I just made another parallel box like this, and then I joined it from here, and from here I just joined it like this, and then I made a cannon here, and then I made a army personnel sitting over here and he's holding a gun in his hand. Okay. I hope everybody has understood it. Okay, I'll start again. I made a.
Ma'am, I cannot understand because your screen is not, your screen is blur.
Is it blur for everybody?
Now it is correct, ma'am.
It is correct for me.
Ma'am, now it is correct, ma'am.
Okay. If you will focus, you will be able to understand. Okay. I hope everybody is doing a good drawing. So the drawing is not very
a bit late for the class.
okay, no problem. It's okay. You can see and do it. Okay.
Ma'am, can you please show the drawing like the tanker?
Ma'am, can you please see how I have drawn it?
I will see it after 10 minutes. Okay. So now I will make a helicopter over here like this, and then it is just going up and coming over here. So just little round from the front, and it has little V shape at the
Ma'am, will you please move your hand? Ma'am, your hand is on.
okay. So now
Ma'am,
after this,
ma'am,
please mute and try to understand. You will get it. Please mute and try to understand.
how to write the.
Please mute. Rule number 1, mute yourself. And I have told 3 times how to draw the tanker. We have moved forward. Okay. So now you see how I'm making the helicopter. You can draw the tanker later. So this is our helicopter, and this is the stand of the helicopter. The helicopter has come little forward, and there has to be some rope over here, and the soldiers are landing. Okay, so I'm making one soldier over here, and this is the body of the soldier, and he is just holding on to the wire like this, and this is the feet of the soldier. So from here I'm making the soldier.
Ma'am, how many tires you made of tanker?
7. So this is the another leg like this. So he is just trying to come down, and he is holding the rope. Okay. And he is having the gun in his back. So for the helicopter, I have to make the windows for the captain to see outside. Okay. Yeah, so now our helicopter is ready, and the one person is coming down from the helicopter. Okay, so yeah, this is the drawing for today. So now I will be coloring it. Okay. So if you want, you can make another guy
Ma'am, please wait.
coming down. I will wait for 5 minutes after this guy is complete. Okay. So you guys quickly complete your drawing, and then we will move forward to the coloring. Please keep your oil pastel color ready. If somebody who is not having the oil pastel, they can use the pencil color. Okay.
Then we can also use wax crayons.
Yes, you can use wax crayon as well. So whatever supplies are available with you, you can use that. So this guy is also having.
Can we use marker?
You can use marker as well. Okay. So yeah, that's sufficient for us. So I will be now coloring it. So I'm just waiting for 5 minutes for all of you to complete. We'll take the orange and blue and green color and black dark brown and light brown.
What shade of color are you using?
You can use any shade. I'm not using, I'm just using black, green, dark green, light green, blue, dark brown and light brown. Okay.
Ma'am, can you tell once again? Ma'am, I have not dark brown.
That's okay. You can use whatever is available with you. So you can use light brown only.
Ma'am, can I use color pencil?
You can use color pencil. Yes. Okay. So now quickly we will start. I have not taken out the orange color. So we will take the orange color and we will fill it in the first layer of our flag. Please don't leave any white patches. Try to do the neat work. It looks good.
Miss, I'm actually doing the Bangladesh flag, not the India.
You can use the color of the Bangladesh flag. No problem. Okay.
Are you from India or Bangladesh?
I am from India, beta. You can use the color of your flag. You can draw your flag instead of Indian flag. That's absolutely fine. Okay. So I want everybody to submit their drawing. I'll make a video and the best entry will be appreciated separately. Okay. So the last.
Ma'am, please move your hand aside.
Yes, I will move my hand. Let me just complete this color over here.
Ma'am, in second year, we also make the Ashok Chakra.
Yes, I will make the Ashok Chakra with the blue color. Okay, so the orange color is done. Don't leave any white patches. It looks beautiful after coloring. That is the magic of the oil pastel colors.
Are we going to blend it?
I'm doing the green color over here.
Light green or dark?
Actually, I should have taken dark green, but by mistake I took light green. So that's okay. Absolutely fine.
Ma'am, just a Shravya, can I take this dark green? Or I can take this dark green. I have 3 shades of
Yes,
dark green.
Dark green is also good. Dark green is good. You can take that.
Ma'am, this dark green.
Tell me,
Yes,
yes. Light green or dark
Okay,
green?
ma'am.
Okay, so now I will take the blue color and I will make a chakra inside like this. Don't fill this. Don't fill it. Don't fill the blue color in this. So we can color it with the permanent marker like this.
Ma'am,
The
the
helicopter.
Ashok Chakra is dark blue.
Yes, dark blue or light blue, anything. It's your choice.
Ma'am, speaking of Indian, of these, I have a competition which is of this kind of like Indian or like this, like.
Okay.
Ma'am, speaking about this drawing which is of India, reminds me of my patriotic song competition.
Okay, good. So this is the window. I'm just filling in the helicopter.
Ma'am, can
with
I do first DVD marker, sketch penning with DVD marker?
You can use sketch pen here.
But ma'am,
Yes.
why you are doing helicopter with black marker?
Because we need to fill the black color over here. You can do black sketch pen also.
But ma'am, it looks so dark.
We have to make it dark. Then only it will highlight. That is the main element of our drawing, right? So that is the army helicopter, and the army men are landing on the ground from the helicopter to fight the enemy. Okay. So you can quickly fill in the black
Ma'am, do
color.
we color the man black? Do we color the man black?
Yes, yes.
Also the gun?
Yes.
With a black color pencil, is that okay?
Black color pencil also okay.
When the drawing will over, where we will get the recording?
I will send the link in the group.
YouTube.
So, yeah, so the recording is available on my YouTube channel, Art Explorer
Okay,
Academy.
mom.
Okay. So now this is done. So now I'm going to complete this.
It's not suspense.
So I'm not going to fill it completely. I am just making a
You are making
line
line.
over here.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am, I mistakenly colored it the Ashok blue.
Okay, okay, that's okay. That's fine.
Ma'am, this is Shravya. Can I use this light blue sketch pen for the
Yes,
the
yes, you can
sky?
do.
Because
Yes, yes, you can use light blue, dark blue, both are fine. Both the colors you can use. So pencil color,
I will use black.
pencil color, sketch pen, everything
can I
is
not
fine.
do the
Okay?
background? Can
Are
I
you
not?
using
Ma'am,
light
it is
blue
this
or
much
blue?
light. Ma'am, it is this much light.
Okay.
Can I not do
No
the
problem.
background though? Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you can do better. So I'm making the sky over here.
I
So
don't
I'm
want
filling the
to
color.
do the background.
Okay, that's fine. You can leave it blank, no problem. So I'm just going to fill the color till here in this area.
But sometimes in real life the sky is sometimes white.
Yeah, so I will add little white color as well. So
Ma'am, are we going to fill the blue with the whole page?
no whole page. I have made the line. Only in this area you are supposed to do the blue because the sky is on the top. This is the ground, right?
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, whenever we are drawing a picture, there is blue.
Okay.
So now
Now
we colored the mountains green, okay?
okay, okay. So this is done. So I will just add little bit of white color.
Mom, please slow down. I'm not able to do it too fast.
Which color?
But you can understand the idea. You can
We should add for the tanker, ma'am.
You can,
Ma'am, can we make
yes,
clouds?
yes.
Ma'am,
I'm adding little bit of white over here. Okay. Please watch what I'm doing. Please watch and concentrate. Please, everybody will understand.
Ma'am, what color is for the tank?
Tank is dark green and yellow.
Okay, ma'am.
You know why we make the cloth of the army people green? So that they camouflage with the green forest. Because they have to fight and they have to hide themselves as well, right? So that's why tanker also we make it green. Okay, so the tanker is green.
Can I color the sky dark blue?
I am using the green color in the tanker. And I will add. Yes.
Can we use sky dark blue?
Yes, you can use. So I am using yellow color on top of the green. Okay. For the tanker. And for the man, I will do black color. Okay. So in the wheels of the tanker also you can use black. So our tanker is ready. So now I will do black color at the bottom, very little bit here on the edge. Please mute. There is background noise.
Ma'am, can we do shading, ma'am?
We are doing shading. You can do shading as well. I am doing it right now. You can see how I am doing it. So I have applied the black color, and now on top of the black, little bit at the boundaries, I am overlapping the brown color. Dark brown I have taken, so you can take dark brown, and on the top we will be using light brown. So don't leave any white patches. Please try to fill it properly. Okay, and you can make the marking if you are not able to complete it, because few people have joined late. So they can complete their coloring after the class also. It will not take more than 15 minutes. So you can just spend 15 minutes after the class and complete your coloring. Okay, so I'm just applying little bit of dark brown on top of black so that it will mix it well. Like this.
Ma'am, do you blend everything?
Yes, I didn't hear you.
After we are done with coloring, are you going to blend everything?
Yes. After the coloring is done, we will just see. We don't need to blend these color because these are single colors. Okay. So wherever we have applied double color, only there the blending is required. Okay. So now I will add light brown color on the top of the hill. Like this. So you can just overlap at the edges, so it will automatically get blended.
I don't have light brown. I have dark brown only, ma'am.
That's okay, Vita. That's okay. You can fill completely with the dark brown.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, which color is that?
This is light brown color.
Can we use ochre?
Yes, you can
We
use
do
yellow.
not have light brown, so can we even use peach?
Yes, you can use yellow ochre. That is also fine. Okay, so we are done almost with the coloring. So just the blending part is left and little bit in the background.
Ma'am, can you please wait?
Victor, I have told you the color scheme, so you can just mark the colors and you can complete it even after the class also. So if you will spend 15 minutes after the class, you will be able to complete your drawing. So there is no hurry like that, okay? So now I'll be adding little bit of yellow and yeah.
Ma'am?
So I'm using ochre yellow over here. Okay. Please make sure don't keep your hand on this, otherwise it will spread on your whole page. Okay, so I'm just applying ochre yellow, little. We are not supposed to fill it.
Ma'am, it's
So-
ochre yellow, right, ma'am?
Yes, this
Are
is
you
ochre
using
yellow.
yellow ochre?
Yes.
And this is Shravya. I don't have ochre yellow. I have simple yellow.
I have single yellow.
Okay. So you can use light brown if you want, otherwise
Ma'am,
only
this is
yellow is also okay.
Then we can use yellow. Single yellow.
You can use yellow, only yellow is also fine.
Ma'am, we have to use only yellow ochre or mix.
Yes, I'm done.
No, I will mix it with the,
background.
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, for
Yes,
that
I'm
flag,
done.
ma'am, for
Yes,
that
I'm done.
flag,
I'm not gonna do the background.
ma'am, for that flag, green
One by
color.
one, please.
Miss, I don't want to do the background.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Miss, I'm done. I don't want to do the background.
Ma'am, ma'am, in that
That's
flag,
fine. Yes.
ma'am, in that flag,
I
that
leave.
third, ma'am, that third green
Miss, can I
one.
leave? Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes. Third green part. Yes, you can leave. Third green part.
Ma'am, for that green, I have 4 shades. So what? So which shade I have to use for that?
You can use dark green or light green. Totally your choice. No problem. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, let me
Now
finish the drawing.
I will take a cloth. Now I will take a cloth and put the finger. And now I will just blend it like this. So please don't keep your hand on top of the black color, otherwise you will spoil your painting. So you can keep a separate paper if you want to show it. Okay. So just give a blending like this. Okay. And blend the yellow and ochre yellow.
Which color is that?
This is yellow and ochre yellow. So I'm blending both of them. Okay. Yes.
Teacher, do you know Malayalam?
So I have blended yellow and ochre yellow. Almost done.
Yellow color in that? Ma'am, why
Yes.
you put the yellow color in that?
Yes, you can use yellow color.
Do you know Malayalam?
Okay. So now the yellow color is done blending. So now I will be blending the white and blue color. So you need to change the place of the cloth, otherwise it will spoil the sky as well. So please blend it like this. If you are using pencil color, then blending is not required. If you are using sketch pen, then also blending is not required. You can just leave it like that. Okay.
Ma'am, for
Yes.
blending, ma'am, from blending, instead of cloth, we can use sponge.
Yes. Malayalam.
Sponge you can try. See, different material have different effect. If you feel you are comfortable with sponge, you can use sponge, but I prefer cloth, and you can use tissue paper as well.
Yeah, ma'am.
I suggest cloth because you can
Teacher,
hold
do
the
you know
cloth and
Malayalam? Can
Kids
we use cotton?
it will have a good grip on the cloth. That's why.
Ma'am, can we use cotton?
No. Okay. So this blending is done. So I'll just do the finishing touches over here in the sky. There are little white patches. So this is done. Yeah. Okay. So our Kargil Vijay Divas drawing is ready. Okay. So I will just blend the
Do you know Malayalam?
green and yellow. No, I don't know Malayalam, beta. Sorry.
We will click a photo and send it in the
I know only English and Hindi. Okay. So I'm
Little fear.
मैम फोटो खींच के कहाँ पे डालेंगे
Beta, I will send a link. So there you have to click on that link, and then you have to click on discussion, and then in the comment section you can upload the picture with your name, age, and city or state. Okay. So my drawing is ready. I'm waiting for 5 minutes, and yeah.
Ma'am, till what time we have to send, means upload that
You have to
picture
You have to send it before Wednesday.
before Wednesday?
Yes, Wednesday, 7 o'clock in the evening is the last time. Okay.
Yeah.
After Wednesday, 7 o'clock, I will not accept. And people, if they are not able to complete, they can see the YouTube video and they can complete their drawing and send me by Wednesday. Okay. So our Kargil Vijay Divas drawing is ready now. So you can see the blending effect.
Ma'am,
in-
please wait for 10 minutes. All this.
Yes, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Don't worry. You can complete it.
Ma'am, please wait for 10 minutes. And actually, there was a gun in the side like that.
Yeah, you can draw that gun. I'm not drawing it.
Bye. Hope you have enjoyed the session. See you in the next class.